Hello everyone, this is a video just to discuss with you all a little bit about Connect. So I did have two classes this semester for 13-12, one that was Monday, Wednesday, 1:30 to 2:45, one that was Tuesday, Thursday, 4:30 to 5:45. So if you look on our Blackboard sites, hold on baby, you will see that I have sent you guys different videos, okay? So here you have the Connect registration video, how to register for Connect, and the access code that you have to use. So this link, this is the most important one. Make sure that you are copying this, pasting it into a website, and it should send you to something that looks like this, okay? This is where you will enter your UIW email address, okay? So that's where you'll find that information. Okay, this is also a video that I made for you guys to help with the transition to online learning. So you can copy and paste that into a browser. Okay, so that you guys can watch this one as well. Bien. Okay, so I just kind of wanted to go a little bit over what you will see in Connect and what you should expect. Okay, so I'm going to go into student view. And this is what you should see when you log into Connect. So the best thing is make sure that you watch this orientation video here. That's the first one that pops up. Okay. Also, if you check on this side, right, because this shows you the instructor information, and this talks about the textbook, but you also have access to the textbook here. Okay. So you can navigate through the text using this link, and you'll just go up to the top to say which one do you want to use. This one we're in right now is chapter 10, and you can go through it, okay, just to see the different pages. When you go further down, it lets you see here additional practice, and it shows you the Learn Smart videos. So this is where you can go in and have extra practice without really having to that won't be graded, okay? So depending on what assignments that you want to do, it gives you, oh, there's no assignments, so this is all self-study, right? And it goes through the different ones that you can talk about, right? Activities from your family, rutina y los planes, and then this is just all on your own. Okay? Oh, no, I'm gonna go back to student view. Okay, and then you'll see that for each chapter, you have different activities that you need to do. So here for chapter 10, you'll see that you need to complete La Familia, La Niñez, March 29th, but make sure that you go all the way down to see which ones are due on each day, okay? Because we do have some different activities that are due for each week. Bien, so we will still be having quizzes, we'll still be having as well our test, our final oral, and our final written, but the written one is more likely to be either through Connect or through Blackboard, okay? So make sure you're also checking the Blackboard site for different information from me, anything further. If you have any questions about your grades, please reach out to me and let me know. You can also reach out. We can meet here through Zoom. So this is our Blackboard site. And if you look, it is under course tools, okay? So when I go here, Zoom meeting, sign in, accept. Okay, we'll sign in. And that way we can also meet through Zoom, okay? So I've already set that up. I'll start having some office hours via Zoom, and I'll let you guys know when those will be. just so that we're able to make sure that we're able to connect. So I hope everyone is safe. Please email me if you have any questions.